Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove photo backgrounds in Pippit AI. So if you are tired of messy backgrounds ruining your perfect shot, here Pippit AI makes backgrounds removal incredibly easy, and this is how you are going to do it. So first you can just open Pippit.ai, and on the home page you can just go to the image studio and you'll see the remove background options in here. Just click on that button and then you can just upload your photo or drag and drop it. You can here choose whether it's assets, products, or you can upload it from device. I'm going to just choose one from here. For example, this photos right here. Click on the photo or upload your photo, and Pippit AI will do its magic to remove the background of the photo. You can just wait for a few seconds and your background will be removed. Still loading, you can just wait. You can also just upload your photo and ask Pippit AI to remove background like this, or use this prompt. Okay, I think okay, so this is the result. You can preview it by clicking on the photo, or you can also just download it right away. Okay, let me try again. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And if you guys want to join Pippit AI, you can just click on the link down below. Bye.